If you've been searching for ways to make money online recently, then look no further because today I have a super easy, brand new, and free strategy for you that will allow you to earn $100 or more than within minutes just by copying and pasting. It doesn't involve a single social media platform, and it does work worldwide. Before we dive into the video, subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be the first to know how to make money online the easiest way. Smash the like button and don't forget to leave a comment down below. Let's get right into the video. Just a heads up guys, a dollar sign will be appearing in the video for a couple of times. Count how many times it will appear and share to us your answers in the comment section down below. So, the very first site I'll be going over today is called thesocialpilot.co. This is essentially a tool that will manage your social media accounts, and many people out there who are perhaps running a business or something like that simply don't have time to run their social media would look for sites just like this one to do the work for them so they can focus on other things in their life. Now, something I really love about this site is the fact that its prices are amazing. Just like it says here, by scrolling down a bit, you'll see the exact differences in prices between Social Pilot and some of its biggest competitors. And they are huge. Not only does Social Pilot offer a free trial, but it also offers substantially lower prices than other similar sites. For managing 25 accounts, they'll charge you with $50 per month, which, let's face it, is not a lot of money, no matter how you look at it. This site, meanwhile called Hootsuite, will charge you $130 for just 20 profiles. Over 4 times as much money for fewer profiles managed. In my opinion, the low prices are one of the best features of this site, and it's very important for us, and you'll see why soon enough. Now with that said guys, you can read more about this site, check out all the cool features they have, but I won't do so I don't prolong this video. So let's get right into it. What you need to do now is scroll down to the very bottom of the page, and then from there you need to find and click where it says affiliate program. Now I want you to keep watching because this strategy is not like other affiliate strategies you might have come across. We won't be using a single social media platform to promote this social pilot. And as I said in the intro, I will instead show you a way to find people who will need this tool to do the work for them and who will be more than happy to sign up for it, so stay tuned for that. Anyways, as far as their affiliate program is concerned, Social Pilot has some things about it that make it very worthwhile in my opinion. For starters, they offer you 30% commissions, which is very good. And even though there are sites that offer higher commissions, something that will draw more people to the site is the free trial that I mentioned previously. Having that balances things out a bit, simply because when people try this out for free and see that it's helping them, they'll be more willing to pay them. Meanwhile, not having a free trial makes things more difficult because people who have to pay them first, that of course incurs risk because they don't know for sure whether or not this is a legitimate website, and they rightly so don't just want to give away their money like that. In any case, the commissions aren't the best you can find, but they are better than most other sites for sure. When you scroll down a bit on this page, you'll see how all this works exactly. So first off, join Social Pilot by creating an account, which is, by the way, free to do as seen below. From there, you will promote Social Pilot to get some people to sign up via your affiliate link. And of course, when they do, you get paid. Something that is very awesome about their payments as well is that they're in recurring commissions. Because as you can see below, keep earning 30% commissions for every new paid subscription with us. You get commission for every renewal. So if someone signs up for an annual plan, you will earn money for the duration of the plan. If they renew it and sign up for another year, you will keep making money. And this makes Social Pilot a great site for affiliate marketing. because you don't need too many customers in order to stack up a lot of money. And that is very important. Something else very important is seen just below. I know many of you love PayPal, so this site will indeed get you paid through PayPal. A bit of a drawback is that you'll need $50 in order to be able to withdraw your money. But considering all the other great features this site has, it's definitely not too big of a deal. To get started working as an affiliate, simply click on Get Started here. From there, just enter in some of your basic information and create your brand new account. And with that done, I'll now show you exactly where and how to get traffic to that link of yours, so you can actually get paid. And that traffic, guys, will come from an unlikely source, which is peopleperhour.com. Now, some of you know that this is a freelancing website because I've shown it one in my previous videos. For those of you who don't know, on People Per Hour, you can either work as a freelancer or you can seek various services from said freelancers. The services can range from proofreading to translation to video animation, video editing, and so on and so forth. I won't go over any of them. Now, we will not be seeking services in People Per Hour, nor will we work for as a freelancer either. So let me show you exactly how this site will bring us traffic. What you need to do is click on search right here, and then you want to click on search offers just below. This will now show you people who have posted a gig on here offering their services as freelancers. From there, what you want to do is search for social media management. So these people are doing essentially what Social Pilot is doing, and all of them are making a ton of money. This person here has over 8,000 reviews with a price of $155. So it's safe to say that we're talking about hundreds of thousands of dollars made. And this isn't the only person with a gig like this. If you come back over to this page, you'll see that there are over 1,300 results, and all of those are 1,300 potential customers. Why? Well, think about it, guys. All of these people have to do all the work themselves, and they can only manage so many social media accounts at a time. And so, by using Social Pilot, they would only be investing a small amount of money, but they'll be getting a huge return on that investment. So you can see over on Social Pilot that a monthly membership can cost as little as $25. Meanwhile, the person I showed you previously is charging over $150 per customer. So a single customer would be enough for them to see a massive return of their investments. This is why these people are great potential customers. They're wasting a lot of time and effort, and Social Pilot would be of a great benefit to them. It's a great price, and the free trial comes into play there. Both will enable you to get way more customers. What you need to do from here is simply contact some of these people. To do that, first you have to open up their offers. You then need to click on their account, which is located here, as you can see. And on the following page, you'll be able to reach out to them by clicking contact right here. What you will tell them, however, is hugely important. You cannot offer these people your affiliate link on People Per Hour. That will get you banned. What you instead need to tell them is that you have a business proposition for them that would help them out tremendously, and that you would like to ask their email address for further communication. And only when they give you their email address can you give them your own link. And what I recommend is sending something like this. As you can see, I wrote in the end, if you want more details and the link of the said tool, feel free to message me. And if they do indeed message you, what you want to do is simply go over all the great features Social Pilot offers. Tell them about the low price, the free trial, and that they would make a lot of money by investing a tiny sum into Social Pilot. And finally, leave your affiliate link in that message. In this fashion, you'll be able to get them sign up via that link, mainly because of the low price and also the free trial, which, as I said, is a huge bonus. From there, guys, just rinse and repeat. Find potential customers, contact them on People Per Hour, get their email, and then send them your affiliate link. In this fashion, you would be getting a lot of signups on your link, and you cannot ever run out of customers. Now with that said, this is it for today's video, guys. I hope you did get some value out of it. Please comment down below if this video can help you a lot financially. Then be sure to give this video a thumbs up, and if you haven't yet, be sure to subscribe to my channel with notifications on so you'll not miss out any of the new future contents. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next videos.